Mind the temperature, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the phrase, mind the temperature. It's a common expression that carries more meaning than you might think at first glance. Whether you're navigating daily conversations or trying to make sense of instructions, understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful. Let's get started and unpack its meaning and usage. When someone says, mind the temperature, they are essentially advising or warning you to be aware of the temperature and act accordingly. This could refer to the temperature of the environment, food, water, or any other substance whose temperature is relevant to the situation at hand. The underlying message is to take caution or make adjustments based on the temperature to avoid discomfort or harm. In everyday life, you might hear, mind the temperature, in various everyday situations, such as when entering a room with a significantly different temperature from the outside, or when adjusting the thermostat at home. It's a reminder to dress appropriately or to be cautious of potential temperature-related discomfort. In cooking and dining, in cooking or dining contexts, this phrase is often used to caution someone about the hotness or coldness of food and beverages. It's a polite way to prevent someone from burning their mouth or being surprised by the temperature of what they're about to consume. In professional settings, in workplaces, especially those involving manual labor or the handling of sensitive materials, mind the temperature can be a safety instruction. It emphasizes the importance of temperature control in preventing accidents and ensuring the quality of work. Environmental awareness. Please, mind the temperature when you go outside. It's extremely cold today. Food and beverage caution. Mind the temperature of the soup. It's just been taken off the stove. Workplace safety. Mind the temperature in the storage area. The chemicals require a specific range to remain stable. Understanding the phrase, mind the temperature, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you navigate daily life with more awareness. It's about more than just the words. It's about cultivating a sense of caution and consideration for yourself and others regarding temperature. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this handy expression. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and remember, always mind the temperature in every aspect of your life.